I couldn't get up there.
So we're in the car park and Keith's chain's off to start the day. It's not a good start to the day, but Keith will rebuild. Here we are. Fucking insanely go to trails.
Oh, what do you guys reckon? Consensus?
We're doing it. Is that the first one up?
Rowing on Carl's bike. I had to push up here.
Didn't go where I told him to. Oh, he's all good. Stay out of there, stay out of there. Nice.
Oh, my blurs are so good. My blurs. They just blurred off my helmet.
Go, Rowan.